Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Masked Man channel. Today we are going over the MONOSNAP. So, for starting out, we have the blur, bottom here, the blur. That's what I did to blur this, or just let you see. So here you have an arrow, like, maybe I want to point to the word snow. Or maybe snow, it's going that way, but it's integrating it because you have arrows, or like, this H looks dumb, and I can highlight this, right click, no. Let me just delete this. Oh, after that, don't pay attention to this up here. I think oh, you have your line tool, which means you can click and draw. I'm just gonna make the letter A to show you that it actually works. Lee. This is called the ELLIPSE. Hold shift to draw a circle. Oh, okay. So I can do this, or maybe you don't want me to see that. I can blur it. Then you can write. This is your drawing mouse. Text. Maybe here I'm gonna write BOB. This. No. See? It works. Then here you can just draw arrows. Like that. Here's your blur tool. Yeet. Crop. Then you can crop this here if you want to. Okay. Maybe I just want it cropped. Or back to normal. So yeah, you can do a lot of stuff. This is that. Now look, it's okay. I just have a bunch of random stuff up here from our videos. I don't want you to read that. It's okay if you do. Not my fault. Eat. Private information. Boom. Done. These just help you remove the outside box. Say cheese. Let's see what it does. Maybe I did. Oh wow. You can use that. So maybe I can. Look. I can add stuff from. Okay. And you can save it and upload it. If you guys find this video very helpful, leave a like, comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. That'll be very helpful. Thank you and have a God bless day.